A very good afternoon to all of you. I extend a very warm welcome to the esteemed dignitaries, principals, program officers, and my dear NSS volunteers to the launching ceremony of the mobile apps designed for NSS registration and enrollment and the eNSS volunteer diary. First of all, I take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy NSS Foundation Day. Today we are celebrating the 51st NSS Foundation Day, and to mark this occasion, NSS University Cell, University of Mumbai has organized this program where we will be launching the two very important apps. We are very fortunate to have with us Dr. Kamal Kumar Kar, Head NSS Directorate New Delhi, Technical Head Social Media Division, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India as the chief guest. We also have Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Mumbai, Professor Dr. Suhas Pednekar as the chairperson for today's program. We also have the esteemed presence of Mr. D. Karthikeyan, NSS Regional Director, Maharashtra and Goa, Government of India, Mr. Ajay Shinde, the Youth Officer, and Dr. Atul Salunke, State Liaison Officer and Officer on Special Duty, NSS Cell Higher and Technical Education, Government of Maharashtra, as the guests of honor for today's program. I once again heartily welcome all our esteemed guests and I thank them for sparing their precious time to be with us today. I also welcome Dr. Sudhir Puranik, Director, Mr. Ramesh Devkar, Program Officer, NSSL University of Mumbai, and the team from Don Bosco Institute of Technology and St. John College of Engineering and Management, Palghar. And on this occasion, I would like to mention that today's program was possible only because of the untiring efforts taken by them in designing, implementation, and execution of the online portal and e-diary. To begin with, I would first like to request Dr. Sudhir Puranik, Director, NSS Cell, University of Mumbai, to present the preface to the program.
D. Karthikeyan and Dr. Atul Salunke, the State Liaison Officer of Maharashtra, the other directors present from Maharashtra for this particular program. Aptekaka is also there. I welcome you all on behalf of NSSL University of Mumbai. Just to give a brief idea of the activities conducted by University of Mumbai's NSSL, I will quote only 5 activities. The first one was the flood relief activity, which was right in the beginning of the term in the month of June, July. The NSS volunteers of University of Mumbai contributed around 1.5 crores grocery to the flood affected areas. Then secondly, in Fit India plogging run also, the contribution of university was extremely good. Even our Honorable Vice Chancellor also contributed and participated in the activity on 2nd of October in Fit India plogging run, which was organized in our Vidyanagari campus. Then third thing, as an innovative idea of our university, this year we have inaugurated 272 libraries in the adopted villages with the help of our NSS volunteers. Now these libraries are having around 60,000 titles and not a single rupee was spent for constructing those libraries. And at the end, I would like to mention the work done by my volunteers during the pandemic. Even today morning, the volunteers are involved in distributing ration kits to 1200 Dabbewalas families, and the material distributed is worth 55 tons. One NGO has also contributed to this, and NSS volunteers have volunteered in the activity. Under the able guidance and every possible opportunity given by our Honorable Vice Chancellor, the NSSL is moving ahead. And this year, as a theme, we had taken up the organ donation as the basic activity for the year. I welcome you all once again, and I stop here.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to request Dr. Nambiar, Principal, Don Bosco Institute of Technology, to address the gathering on this occasion.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much for giving us this opportunity. respected Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Mumbai, Dr. Suhas Pednekar, Dr. Kamal Kumar Kaur, Head NSS Directorate, New Delhi, Dr. Sudhir Puranik, Director NSS Mumbai University, Mr. Karthikeyan, NSS Regional Director, and Dr. Atul Salunke, principals, faculty, and dear students. It's an honor and privilege for me as principal of the Don Bosco Institute of Technology to participate in this unique event to mark the 51st NSS Day. NSS has been an integral part of the training we provide to our engineering graduates towards becoming not only technically competent engineers, but also socially conscious citizens. As an institute being governed by the vision of Don Bosco, we ensure that our students work closely with the local communities to provide skills and training to the people and also take up technical projects to solve community issues. I'm proud to say that at least 15 to 20% of our final year projects are based on community issues and sustainability, and community engagement is also an important parameter in faculty performance evaluation. We have been fortunate to have the support of the Director NSS for all our initiatives, and I'm extremely grateful to Dr. Sudhir Puranik for giving a platform to our students and faculty to work on the NSS e-diary, which will enable timely and accurate recording of the activities carried out by the volunteers, which is an essential part of grooming them for leadership. Converting it into a mobile app makes life convenient for everyone, and the possibilities are endless. Sir, your faith in our abilities has motivated us to take on more challenging tasks of the NSS. I commend my young and enthusiastic team of students, Malvika, Satyam, Hayden, Priyal, Mansi, and Shivam, the faculty mentor, Mr. Tayyab Ali Sayyed, and our NSS coordinator, Mr. Royal D'Souza, for having completed this task under challenging conditions and within a very short time span. I thank the management of DBIT for encouraging outreach activities and supporting all our endeavors. I also thank the Vice Chancellor and Dr. Atul Salunke for being our well-wishers and supporting us always. Thank you once again for this wonderful opportunity and honor.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We are really thankful to you for encouraging your student volunteers to take up this project, which would be really beneficial for all the NSS volunteers across the university. Thank you once again. I would now like to request Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Mumbai, Professor Dr. Suhas Pednekar, to launch the registration app which is prepared by volunteers of St. John College of Engineering and Management, Palghar.
So it is my honor and privilege to declare that the app developed by University of Mumbai, my own students, is launched. And this is a wonderful moment. We wish you all the best. Thank you.
सोन किरणाने झळाळू दिन रात आणि अंधाराचा पूर्ण आणूया नवी पहाट जनसेवेच्यासाठी धरूया हाती हात आशा आणि स्वप्नाने शोधूया नवी वाट उत्कर्ष आणि साहसाने जिंकूया सारी मने प्रगती पथावर चमकूया ताऱ्यांना घेऊन सवे परिश्रमाने उभी करूया राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना NSS ओ NSS ओ NSS ओ NSS NSS ओ NSS ओ NSS ओ
It's a little demo how the app is going to work and help the program officers and volunteers while enrolling and registering. Our university is already using a web portal designed by our NSS volunteers, which was inaugurated by Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir on 29th of June. That portal is being in use by Mumbai University.
A very good app. Great job, Dan.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Now I would like to request Honorable Kamal Kumar Kar, Head Directorate of NSS, to launch the eNSS Volunteer Diary, which is prepared by NSS volunteers of Don Bosco Institute of Technology.
Thank you. I take this opportunity to congratulate all on this auspicious occasion of NSS, the 51st NSS Day. My greetings to all, including Honorable Vice Chancellor and all the functionaries of Mumbai University. And I take this opportunity to give my appreciation for the work what the volunteers have been doing. Really, just time back we are discussing that we should involve our volunteers to design, for the designing, for the operations, all of all these high-end technical things, because they are well equipped and will be giving them an opportunity to contribute their expertise to us. So I hereby declare to open the volunteer diary, the digital diary, which is being prepared. You go ahead and please share the screenshots.
While designing both the apps, both the Android apps, rather, I should say, we were having constant meetings with the students of DBIT also and Prathamesh Aire from St. John College of Engineering and Management, and the responses was so fantastic. This year, from last year, as a part of our regular activity, University of Mumbai has decided to give the technology-based projects to the engineering college volunteers so that they will contribute by their own way. So that initiative was taken long back around 2007 by Dr. Atul Salunke. He initiated that activity, and now today it has come in reality that we are going totally digital. This year, Mumbai University NSS will not have even a single piece of paper used, not a single diary. That will be saving around 50,000 diaries for my university. And most important thing is these apps are available in open source manner. So any university can use those apps with their modifications.
Puranik, I would like that if you share all these details to us, then we'll definitely share with all the universities.
Sure, sir.
To say on record that I have taken the details from Mr. Karthikeyan, and I have said, I have entered the diary and it is really magnificently, beautifully designed. So saving the diary, printing, and it's a purely environment-friendly process. It's a green zone. We are entered the green zone, and there is, I think, this type of work we encourage. And what Mr. Salunke told, because he is an old friend of mine, and we are regularly, repeatedly trying to harvest the efficiency and the expertise of the technical students in the technical project, and I'm very happy to see the outcome.
Thank you, sir. And most important thing of this diary is it is totally available in offline mode. Volunteer can enter the details at any moment of time. The moment he gets connectivity, the data is uploaded on the server, and program officer can verify the details submitted by him. The district coordinator can also verify the details submitted by him. So this year we will not have even regular scrutiny meetings also. So that scrutiny will also be done online. That will be saving a huge work hours for my teacher colleagues also.
Thank you so much. It's indeed a proud moment for all of us, and we would really like to appreciate the efforts taken by each and every person involved in the making of both these apps. Thank you so much once again. Moving on, now I request Dr. Atul Salunkhe, SLO and OSD, to kindly address the gathering.
Thank you, Kranti Madam. First of all, I am wishing all of you to happy NSS Foundation Day. Respected Honorable Vice Chancellor Suhas Pendekar Sir, respected Kamalkar, Head of NSS, New Delhi, respected D. Kartikeyan, my colleague Sudhir Puranik, Director of University of Mumbai, Kranti Madam, and Principal Madam of Institute of Don Bosco, and all principals and colleagues. Today I am very happy because I am a part and parcel of Mumbai University. And earlier, Puranik sir has pointed out that we can think about that. The NSS will be moved for further and further, and we are giving the one of the stage that this is the era, the new era of in NSS, because we can move forward for that. The online webinars and e-app and mobile apps. This situation will be the create because of due to the involvement of IT sector or technical universities or technical colleges. And therefore, I congratulate to Sudhir Puranik sir. He take the initiative, and I take the opportunity to the Don Bosco Institute also. They are prepared such type of e-diary as well as NSS mobile app. And it is very useful for student point of view and teacher point of view also, because when we can think about the tree plantation project. So behind the tree plantation, there is a one of the aspect is the destroy of forestation. So how we can control the deforestation? So this is one of the way to stop the use of papers. And this mode of moving for that, the less paper using in NSS, and this is one of the best example in a country. So every time we can say that the Mumbai University playing the very important role for the whenever the changes will be take places, and this is one of the change made by NSS, and I'm really I congratulate to all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your encouraging words. And I would also like to thank you for initiating the process of online registration way back in the year 2007, as informed by Dr. Sudhir Puranik, sir. So we thank you once again. Moving on, I would now like to request Mr. D. Kartikeyan, Regional Director, NSS Maharashtra and Goa, to address the gathering.
Good evening, respected Vice Chancellor, Sir Kamal Kumar sir, Head Directorate of the NSS sir. Great pleasure today to join that Mumbai University. Since from the beginning of this pandemic, we are moved about, especially that mitigation and containment of this COVID-19. And now, kind of NSS app is a great thing. Is under the leadership of respected Vice Chancellor and this great initiative shown by Dr. Puranik sir. It's actually today we feel very happy since we completed successfully for the first time of in NSS history that virtual uh, presentation of NSS awards by our Honorable President. But now this Mumbai University adding our pleasure by inviting us this kind of event, and this is also a great achievement for the NSS Maharashtra. As it is a very particular that I feel very happy that Kamal Kumarkar sir participated and he inaugurated that e-diary. It's a very good thing because as technical head for a couple of years, since 3 years back, Kamalji has motivated all our colleagues, including me, and we are now active in social media because of time to time guidance. Uh, Now he is the right person and to inaugurate things because we like very much the digitalization and social media and this kind of uh, making everything through electronic media. As Atul Salangi said, he is also interested in reducing the paper. He is in paper. So it is a great pleasure to me to have Kamalji with. And as for University of Mumbai is concerned, they excel in that different activities under MSS. From time to time, as per the record submitted by the I am rating history, it's all because of the and the activation of the chancellor. In fact, such a wise results that NSS will be get the blessing. So, sir can do still more and can shine. I wish, especially this Don Bosco college, principal madam. So, had that motivation to the students to reach out. I'm interested to revisit the college also. It's a, once again, I can pay my thanks, Dr. Purani, Chancellor, for this great.
Since we lost connection with Dr. Kamal Kumar Kar, we couldn't listen to him. That's really unfortunate.
Is he joining or shall we wait?
Sir, we will continue, sir.
Okay.
Now, I would take this opportunity to invite the person who always stood behind us like a supporting pillar, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Suhas Pednekar, to address the gathering.
Thank you very much. Good evening to all. Dr. Kamal Kumar Kar, Dr. Karthikeyan, Dr. Atul Salunke, Dr. Puranik, Dr. Mrs. Nambiar, all my program, NSS program officers, all the students, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege and honor to be part of today's function, which is the NSS Foundation Day. And let me wish you all a very happy NSS Foundation Day. I'm delighted to see the output of our NSS units under the leadership of my director, Dr. Puranik, and ably guided by Dr. Atul Salunke. And I sincerely congratulate all my students, especially from the Don Bosco Technical Institute as well as In fact, there is one more institute. I think the students were responsible in preparing the app and e-diary. And sincerely appreciate their efforts in this direction. And this is how we realize the potential of students. I think Dr. Ramrao Adik Institute, the students help us in preparing the technical support. We all know that education institutions are always the integral part of society. And we are expected to establish that equilibrium with all the requirements of the society around us. And in this regard, I'm very happy that NSS units act as catalysts, or not just catalysts, but the link between the society and the education institutions in many ways. And what is required is if we motivate them, they can come out with wonders. And this is very evident by the number of programs organized by our director, Dr. Puranik, in several occasions. And this is absolutely is the commanding, and I have no words how to appreciate my students for their efforts. And this is where I feel the type of crisis we all are going through, that is the COVID-19 pandemic. My students have learned the importance of resilience and the importance of adaptability, and how now technology is going to play an important role. And in that direction, they have been already working and accelerated. And the mobile app which we launched today and the e-diary is are the good examples of how the future belongs to technology now, and how we need to be paperless. We also, by going paperless, is the contribution, I would say, to a green environment. And that is also our responsibility to protect our environment around us. Because through NSS activities, we understand the importance of coexistence. Every small creature around us is as important as human being. And if we do not respect each other, what can happen? That one tiny virus has taught us. So this is, in fact, is the time to understand the importance of coexistence of every entity around us, and we need to protect them. And the way NSS groups of various colleges organize different activities, go to community and help them during this, not only during the crisis times, but throughout the year, their activities are commendable. I'm very happy that this particular app, which I would, in fact, very much demonstrated now, that can be also used off mode. And the e-diary, which was very much praised by Dr. Kamal Kumar Kar, is the, I would say, is the great contribution of University of Mumbai. And as Dr. Puranik said, that is available for all other universities if they want to use it. So my dear students, especially, I'm always happy and delighted to address my NSS students and the type of work they've been doing. And so ultimately, the important objective of education, as I've been telling many times and whenever I get this opportunity, is not merely obtaining degree certificate, but how you can become a good human being with all-round personality development. And ultimately, whatever you are going to achieve through education, you have to ensure that you have to give back to society. And as our Honorable Prime Minister said, that there are 5 pillars which will make our country self-reliant, Atmanirbhar Bharat. So it is the responsibility of every human being to contribute to nation development at the end. it is not merely becoming selfish for your own development, but we need to contribute to ensure that everyone grows along with you. So the education's main purpose is to acquire knowledge, acquire the skills, acquire that positive attitude, and that everything that will lead to wisdom. In fact, the other day, one student asked me that what is the difference between the knowledge, skills, attitude, and wisdom? So I try to explain that knowledge decides what to say. The skill tells you how to say. The attitude tells you how much to say. And the wisdom tells you whether to say it or not. So I think that is the difference between the knowledge, skills, attitude, and wisdom. So my dear students, some of you probably are going to appear for the final year exam, which are going to be online now. Some of you are expected to help the students who do not have good facilities to give the examination online using the technological devices if they do not have. There could be some differently able students around you. It will be your responsibility to help them. I'm very happy when Dr. Puranik with his colleagues has taken up the responsibility to extend that support system to all the differently able students of University of Mumbai, particularly of final year students, helping them to give the examination. Our approach and efforts is allowing students to give examination from home as much as they can so that they don't have to come out of their homes, and we can take care of the spread of coronavirus. And at the end, I would say, all my dear students, all my dear colleagues, stay safe, stay healthy, and you need to be competent physically, mentally, emotionally, as well as energetically. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We are really delighted by your constant encouragement and appreciation. And sir, you rightly said future belongs to technology, and launching of these two apps successfully is a testimony to that. So thank you so much once again. Moving on, I hope now we have got connected with Dr. Kamal Kumar Kar, sir.
No, madam. Again, some problem has happened, it seems.
Okay. Thank you, sir. We are really delighted by your constant encouragement and appreciation. And sir, you rightly said that future belongs to technology, and launching of these two apps successfully is a testimony to that. So I thank you once again. Moving on, we have come towards the end of the program. Since we lost connection with Dr. Kamal Kumar Kar, we couldn't listen to him. That's really unfortunate, but we hope that in the near future we would be organizing some event and would invite him once again. So I would now like to invite Dr. Nikhil Karkhanis to propose the formal vote of thanks for today's program. Dr. Nikhil Karkhanis.
Namaskar, I am Nikhil Karkhanis. Vote of thanks is not merely a formality, but an opportunity to express our gratitude towards luminaries who have extended their unwavering support and inspiring guidance towards the success of today's program. On behalf of NSS Cell, University of Mumbai, I would like to take this opportunity to extend our thankfulness towards respected Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Suhas Pendekar Sir, and Dr. Kamal Kumar Kar, Head, Directorate of NSS, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, for making this momentous occasion a special one with their esteemed presence and inspiring guidance. I would also like to thank Mr. D. Karthikeyan, Regional Director, NSS Maharashtra, and Principal Dr. Atul Salunke, State Liaison Officer, NSS Cell, Higher and Technical Education, Government of Maharashtra, for gracing today's program and sharing your pearls of wisdom. We must mention Shri Ramesh Devkar sir, NSS Program Officer, for his untiring efforts in making registration app and e-diary a reality. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all the principals, directors NSS of various universities, well-wishers of NSS, program officers and our dear students for joining today's program. Thank you. Jai Hind. Over to Kranti Madam.
Sir, with your permission, shall we end the program?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. And thanks, special thanks to Principal Nambiar, Principal Mulgund, the medical teachers and the volunteers who had made this come true. Thank you very much. And with the permission of Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, I am closing the meeting. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you very much, and very nice to see when the Apte Kaka attending this program. Thank you.
Yeah.
Apte Kaka.
Thank you.